this screw gun, $19.91.
Really?
For $50. From Bruce, I can't remember his name. He was a church builder. He was retiring from building. And he loaned it to me to finish a building. I said, "You want to sell it?" He says, "Yeah." I said, "I'll give you $50." He says, "Deal."
And that was obviously in Olean.
Yeah. So here I am using the same screw gun 26 years later. And it works fantastic. It's a Sears Craftsman. It was wonderful.
Very cool. All right, we have completed the drywall, and I did help, so I can say we. He has done most of it, obviously, but I helped by holding pieces up in the ceiling. It is ready to be mudded. He bought the edge pieces tonight, and hopefully tomorrow he'll rest, but he'll probably get some more work done. He bought the mud, everything we need. Up here you can see he had to piece it quite a bit because just unevenness, but once it's all done and painted, you will never know. It is so cool. So let me back up and get a good picture. I don't have the big lights on because it's just too bright to get good footage. As you can see, it's such an open kitchen now. I mean, this wall being gone has been such a marvelous thing, even already. I am cooking in this messy kitchen somewhat, but tonight, no, Chick-fil-A just sounded too easy, and the kitchen was still a pretty bad mess because he was just finishing up. So I said, I'll just buy us all Chick-fil-A, and there was just 3 of us because the boys are working tonight. So there's the drywall, done. Stay tuned, thank you. My Canadian got the entire first layer of mud on the walls for the drywall. And no, I'm not gonna torture you by showing you every layer of mud. But I just wanted to give a brief update and add this to the weekend video and get it up. He did put in 2 light bulbs for the pendant lights. These are not the lights we're gonna use, obviously, but we just had to test them out, make sure they work, and they do. All the lights are on right now, but all the mudding is done, and already it looks better. I don't mind the look of mud on my walls for a temporary thing. Oh no. So it's looking good. Tonight we have stuff going on, so he won't get any work done on it, but I'm glad because he's exhausted. He works all day in a high-stress job, and then he comes home and works on this till 9:30, 10 o'clock at night, so he's pretty worn out. It's a good thing to take one evening off of this project. So we will do that tonight and continue on. Hopefully get all the mudding done by the weekend, and we can sand it and paint it. We have not gotten word on our cupboards, so they're still not in. Hopefully it won't be too big of a deal to get them home, but I can't wait. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.